Hi, this is Vijaya and welcome to Vijayas recipes. Today we'll see the benefits of lemon and benefits of drinking lemon water early in the morning every day on an empty stomach. Lemon is one of the important fruit in the citrus group. Lemon is a fruit which is best known for its sour taste. Lemon has various health benefits for both children and adults. When lemons are ripe, the outer layer would turn yellow in color and it offers good amount of juice with little seeds. Lemons are very popular in the Mediterranean cuisine as a beautiful addition to the salads. Lemons are one of the best fruits which are to be taken during summers. The juice of lemon is ideal in helping recover from the hot sun and hydrates the whole body. The juice not only hydrates our body but also supplies essential vitamins and minerals. Studies have shown that you can lower the glycemic index of your meal by 20 to 40% just by adding a few teaspoons of lemon juice to your meal. Glycemic index refers to how much a food causes your blood sugar to rise. Lowering the glycemic index of a food helps keep blood sugar steady. It is good for controlling hunger and losing weight. The peels of lemon offers benefit as much as the fruit. The pectin in lemon peels helps control hunger pain with the added bonus of controlling cholesterol. The juice of a lemon contains about 6% citric acid which gives it a sour taste. This sour taste is a key ingredient for many juices and foods. Lemons contain high amount of calcium, magnesium, vitamin C and potassium. It also contains small amounts of vitamin A and iron. Lemons improve digestion, removes toxins from your digestive tract. It removes symptoms of indigestion like heartburn, burping and bloating. Lemons have strong antibacterial, antiviral and immune boosting properties. It is used in weight loss programs as it is good in digestion. Lemons are a natural treatment for arthritis and rheumatism. When uric acid in your body is not flushed out immediately, it gets deposited in the joints and causes rheumatoid arthritis. The citric acid in the lemon juice helps to alkalize the body. It stimulates the liver and dissolves the uric acid accumulated within the joints. Arthritis patients find a significant difference in their mobility and pain after frequently consuming lemon water or lemon juice. Lemons are excellent cold and flu fighters as it is rich in vitamin C and its antiviral properties. It strengthens the immune system of the body. It works as an antioxidant. Lemons help asthma sufferers. They become more resistant to external factors. It keeps the lungs stronger and more efficient in breathing easily due to its antioxidant properties. After squeezing lemon, the peels of lemon can be grated and it can be used fresh, dried or frozen. It can be stored in a jar and these lemon zest can be used in salads, marinades, baked foods and grained dishes. I would now like to share the health benefits of drinking lemon water every day early in the morning on an empty stomach. Lemons are loaded with antioxidants, rich in alkalinity, boosts your immune system, helps fight disease and it helps prevent cancer. Promotes a healthy heart, improves liver function, detoxifies the body, lowers stress, blood pressure and anxiety. It is used in skincare. It decreases wrinkles, removes blemishes and spots, and makes the skin clear and glowing. It lightens age spot and freckles and rejuvenates the skin. It slows the aging process. Increases energy and balance pH level. Helps burn body fat. Aids in weight loss. Improves digestion. Reduces calorie intake. It promotes good sleep, prevents kidney stones, cleanses liver, kidney and blood, prevents bad breath, relieves respiratory problems. Lemon is also used as a food preservative. So these were some of the health benefits of lemon and lemon water. And if you know any more health benefits, please let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.